today I'm going to be cleaning and painting a mural in our outdoor shower space. I'll play the clip, but it's kind of gross right now. So I'm going to clean it and paint a mural and put up new curtains. So I'm going to take you with, show you the process. Bye. Okay, it's about 30 seconds later. I am walking down to get my supplies. This is where I live. It's really cool. It's kind of like a tree house in the jungle. Good morning. That's their pool. Oh, they need more water. Maybe. I need to find something I can wear whilst I paint. Whilst. I'm sorry, I just said that. We should make sure the chickens are a little too. Excuse me. You have to be very careful about closing the gate because the chickens escape. 1 second. What? Okay. I can't get your gates closed. Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay, stop. Looks like they ate all the compost. So, I'll feed them some of this. Oh, get off! No! Guys, you're too rowdy. They're getting too rowdy. Help me. They're mad because they don't have compost. Okay, stop. Okay, no. Oh my god, that was a close one. It is officially like an hour and a half or 2 hours after I decided to do this project. And I got very sidetracked for checking on the chickens. I don't like chickens, I have to be honest. They're kind of mean. Update on this process. So we've cleared out the shower. I'm going, oh, I'm going. Ramit's making an exquisite dinner.
Sugar, natural sugar. Rocky cleans like that. That's kind of, this is her thing.
I'm on speed on like what I own.
Nice. We'll have to have you over for pancakes again.
This is beautiful.
Hey, what would this world do without us?
It couldn't go on. It would stop spinning.
Just take a couple of pieces, put them at the bottom, and then just layer this on. And when you're like eating it, just like dig it from the bottom, and
Yum.
and you can like put a couple more on top.
It has officially been about 6 days since I started this shower project, and well, I'll show you where we're at. We haven't worked on it in a few days, and I haven't showered in a few days, so that's why I look like this. The cleaning is done and the first coat of paint. I think this looks good. This is where I'm gonna do the mural. I may do one more coat. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and it's a beautiful day in Hawaii. It's Halloween. I forgot to say that. It's Halloween. I hate Halloween. I'm going to get started with another coat of paint on the walls and then the mural. This is the mess that I've left out here for the past 6 days. Whoopsie. Also, oh, that toilet. That's funny. I don't even know how this got out here. Let's begin. Planning the mural. The cooking up here to find you. Do you like the camera? Are you lonely? How tiny she is. Okay. Where are you going? You're gonna go back down? You're going home? Bye, I'm going this way. It looks like that Dora Explorer strawberry yogurt. I am about to start the last day working on this mural. It is about, I don't even know how long later. I think it might be like a full month since I started. October 26th was the day I started, and it is currently November 17th, so not quite a month, almost a month. This shower has been in use while under construction, so this is what. So people have showered in it in every phase of this mural, which is kind of cool. So I'll see you for a final update when it's all done. Complete.